What's up, guys? Juggalo here, and I managed to put the 4.2.2 JellyBean on my Kindle Fire. This is a Kindle Fire, and I was able to do it. The whole operating system experience is way better than Amazon. Amazon Kindles are very limited in what they can do. You have to go through the Amazon store. You don't have the Google Play Store, and so on and so forth. But overall, the operating system is just flat out better than the Amazon Kindle, and this is why I put the JellyBean on it. Basically, that's what 4.2.2 is. And it is really easy to do. I went through the XDA forums, and they actually have a utility called Kindle Fire Utility version 0.9.9, and what you do is you hook up your Kindle via USB from your PC to here, and you run this program, and it'll automatically root it for you. Once you run the program, you hit 1 to 6, and they have different things you can put on here, and it's kind of like a MS-DOS running in the background programming your Kindle. They have a backup. They have backup loader you can use. They have a bootloader. So yeah, it's really cool, and it's just a utility, and you don't have to go in and mess with your Kindle. You just run this program. It's really great. I have the first version of the Kindle Fire, so if you are going to use this utility, you want to make sure that your Kindle matches the version of the Kindle Fire utility. If not, you have the potential to brick your Kindle. From there, what I did was I went on the XDA forums and I downloaded the 4.2.2 ROM as well as the Google Apps program. What you do first is you load up bootloader or whatever, and I'll try to see if it'll work. Okay, see, it's working, and then I'm gonna hold down the power button real quick. So if you see right here, it has normal boot, recovery, and all that stuff. So once you do that, you're going to select recovery, and what it will do is go here like so, and then from here you just click install, and then you go to your downloads, and then you find the programs that you downloaded to flash it, and you just select it, hit enter, and it's good. So that's what I did, and it has a backup program in here and everything like that. So this is not on a normal Kindle. So we're going to go ahead, and I'm going to click on Reboot right here. So Reboot System. So I selected System, and I'm going to show you what it looks like on the Kindle Fire. So you can tell it's rooted because it has a Kindle Fire, and it's blue for the Fire. Alright, now it's going to boot up to its standard operating system. And here you go. This is the Kindle Fire right here. This is JellyBean. This is what it looks like on the Nexus 7 tablet, I think, when you're booting up. Okay, so it'll take a little minute, or a quick minute, excuse me. And this is the load screen right here. So give it a minute, and then from there, you go here and you swipe, or trying to do this, and here is JellyBean on the tablet. It is real fluid, smooth, nice, and everything like that. Here are some of the applications I have. You have Google Play Store, you have YouTube on here. You're basically enabling this tablet alone to be a standard tablet. So back when I got it, this was let me see, again, tongue-tied, around like 150, 180, or maybe 200 bucks. And yeah, I love it. It's fluid. It's a lot smoother. I like the internet layout, everything. You can have an alarm on your Kindle now by using this because it's this is basically a straight up tablet now. It's not limited to the Amazon features that it had. And what it basically Amazon had on here, and I'm sure if you can look on the videos, I think I have an overview of the Kindle, I'm not sure, but it more or less has like bookshelves, and then you would scroll through. Here it's a full-on tablet, just powered off on me. Not powered off, but blank screen on me or whatever, power saving mode. But yeah, this thing is awesome. All you have to do if you want to use the Kindle features is just download the Amazon Kindle app. Let me see if I can click on it. There we go. And it's loading right now, Kindle. And then from there, here are your books. And my wife likes the Hunger Games trilogy. I got that for a while ago, but here we go. And then, of course, they have, for some reason, bestsellers. And a lot of bestsellers, it seems that it's trying to recommend is a lot of love stories and all that crap. But she likes Halo and everything, so if you click on recommended, it selects Halo and cooking books and all that stuff because that's what she's been looking at. So, yeah, absolutely love it. It does work. The Wi-Fi works. You don't have GPS or Bluetooth on here, of course, but overall, this is a great update that I did, more or less, to here. And let me see if I can go into the settings, and I'll show you the let me see if I can see device settings or something like that. But right here is the layout for your settings: device, sound, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything like a standard Kindle, also, or a standard tablet. With this, it actually uses your Google account as well. So you're able to use your Google account, which is awesome. So let me see if I can do About Tablet, and then you'll see where it says, wow, this is a very reflective screen, but it says Android version 4.2.2 and then the model number. If I can do it, yeah, it's too blurry. It says Kindle Fire right here. And it is from Hashcode at XDA Forums. So big shout out and a thank you to him for sure. Also, I'd like to thank the developers at the XDA Forums for making the Kindle Fire Utility version 0.9.9. That worked flawlessly. Again, if you're going to use that program, make sure you have the right Kindle for that program. There's two versions of this program, the original Kindle, and then I think it's like the Kindle HD that's out now that you can put the 4.2.2 on, which is, again, JellyBean. So, yes, it is pretty awesome, I have to say. If you have a Kindle and you want to make it a better user experience, I highly recommend rooting your Kindle and putting JellyBean on it because it's definitely worth it. I guess that's it, guys. Comment, subscribe, rate this video, click that like button, and you guys have a great day. Bye.